Son of man, speak unto the elders of Israel, and say unto them, Thus saith the Lord God, are ye come to inquire of me?
Because that's what you come to do to us. You come to inquire of God, right? Because you want to know if Korea is the next Christ. Is Korea gonna, they say there is a Christ over there, it's a new, you just want to know what's going on here, right? You come to inquire of God, right? Let's see what God said.
As I live, saith the Lord God, I will not be inquired of by you.
God said you will not be required by you. Go ahead.
Wilt thou judge them, son of man?
I thought that men cannot judge. But God tell Ezekiel, you judge them. That's what God says to Ezekiel, right? You judge the people, Ezekiel. Go ahead.
Son of man, wilt thou judge them? Because cause them to know the abominations of their fathers.
Cause them to know their abominations of the fathers. Parents is abomination.